This is a demonstration of how to create web forms in Actionstep to put on your website so clients can fill out a form and it goes directly into Actionstep. So whether you have Actionstep for your database for your clients or you don't, and you're just interested in learning more about Actionstep, this is a great tutorial. And we're just going to cover it very briefly so you can see what it does. So this is Actionstep, and we're going to create a web form. So we just go to Form Manager, and I'm going to pull up a form I've already done. So if you're going to create a new one, it looks just the same as this. You name it, and you say if it's active or not. You can do success URLs. So when they click it, it can go to a custom web page you design that says, thank you, your form is submitted. Otherwise, you can use the Actionstep general success page that they have. Then there's different themes that you can use of how you want your form to look. Now that's customizable if you know web design, or if you have a web designer that you can hire to do that for you. They can make this look however they want. So let's go to the next section. And this is where we add fields. So we can add any field that we already have in Actionstep. And this is going to pre-populate when you create a matter or a client file. So we're asking for their first name, their last name, their area code, phone number, how would you like to contact us to contact you, email or mail, and then their email address. And you can put in things like, what service are you interested in? Estate planning, probate, personal injury, criminal law. You can put all of that in there. And then once you've got all the fields that you want for your form, then you just generate the code. Copy that onto your website or give that to your web designer, and you get something like this. This is our website. So we have our support ticket. This is an Actionstep web form. When they submit this, it goes directly into Actionstep. So what that looks like is you'll get an email that says a form was submitted, but there's also a notification on the bottom of Actionstep that says there's web forms. So you click on it and you can see we have 3 of them. So we're going to process one. Now, if it's junk, you can just junk it and it goes away, or you can process it to create a matter in Actionstep. If there's an existing client, you can just select them. But if you want to create a new client off of the information that they typed in on the form, it'll autofill whatever fields you had on the form. And then we just say, this is not a duplicate. If that shows up, we say next. And then it brings up the client matter to create. We call this test matter. And then here's all the stuff that we've programmed for this matter. But you can have them select which service they want. Do they want estate planning? They can select that and it'll autofill right here. Are you a new or returning client? They can put that and it'll autofill. Do you have any estate planning documents? Please tell me about that. What documents do you have? You can have them type some information for you. There is another software that works where you can do bookings online, and it'll go into Actionstep on the calendar. And then you just simply create the matter and you're done because they filled out the data for you. Now you can use this for intakes, new clients that are interested. You can use this for help desk tickets. There's lots of ways to use it. So if you're just looking for a tipping point of you're thinking of switching to Actionstep, this is a huge feature that they have. Or if you have Actionstep and you're not utilizing this tool, then definitely give us a call and we'll help you get this going. So that's how you do web forms in Actionstep.